nothing to say really. But I'm bored. It's 2:31 p.m. and I have to wait till 3:30 for Haley to get off the bus and come to my house. Then we go to her house so she can eat, and we go to the park and hang out with everyone. Woo! Okay. You probably can't hear me. Ha! Shut the TV off. What now? There's this video. So, what up, dog? Sorry, my hair was doing something crazy. Anyways, yep, this is the video. Duh. And I want to give a shout out to all my friends. No, I don't, because none of them are going to see this probably besides Margot and Nate. Hi, Margot and Nate. Okay. Bye-bye.